Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC code P2108-9F/PP1659 pertains to the Electronic Throttle Control System (ETCS) control relay off malfunction in the Honda CR-V 2023 and newer models. This error indicates there is a failure within the relay system that powers the throttle control, a critical component of the vehicle's powertrain responsible for regulating engine power and efficiency. The issue arises when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects an absence of power supply voltage input, even though the PGM-FI sub-relay should be functioning and therefore activated. The malfunction leads to stored DTCs, indicating the fault requiring immediate attention. Understanding the exact role of components involved, their locations, and how they interact is crucial for effective troubleshooting and resolution. DTC P2108-9F relates to the Electronic Throttle Control System, crucial for managing vehicle acceleration. The PGM-FI sub-relay works as a gatekeeper, controlling power to the throttle system. Located near the vehicle's fuse box, this sub-relay is responsible for supplying power when required. Its proper functioning ensures that the throttle body receives adequate power from the battery through the PCM. If the relay is disengaged, the PCM will not receive the expected voltage, triggering this DTC. Inspection of these components and their connections is essential for troubleshooting, as they directly affect the vehicle's throttle response and overall performance. There are several potential causes for the DTC P2108-9F error code. Firstly, a faulty or malfunctioning PGM-FI sub-relay may fail to provide power to the throttle control system. Secondly, an open circuit in any related wiring could disrupt the flow of power, leading to insufficient voltage reaching the PCM. Thirdly, shorted wiring issues in the throttle control circuits may inadvertently create a circuit path that affects the throttle relay operation. Each of these causes must be thoroughly examined, as they contribute to the electronic throttle control failure. Comprehensive circuit inspection will help isolate the problem, ensuring timely and accurate repairs. Symptoms associated with the DTC P2108-9F can significantly impact vehicle performance. Drivers may experience a noticeable reduction in engine power, which can hinder acceleration capabilities. Additionally, there may be a delay in throttle response, making the vehicle less responsive during driving, particularly when quick acceleration is necessary. The vehicle's onboard diagnostics will trigger the check engine light, alerting the driver of the issue. These symptoms collectively signify a malfunction in the throttle control system that requires prompt attention to avoid further complications or safety risks while operating the vehicle. The first troubleshooting step involves verifying the status of the PGM-FI sub-relay to confirm if it is working correctly. Begin by testing the power supply voltage input to the PCM while ensuring that the PGM-FI sub-relay is operating. If there is no voltage detected despite the relay being activated, it indicates a system malfunction. This step also requires checking the PCM for any additional abnormalities, as the PCM acts as the brain of the engine management system. Accurate diagnosis at this stage can help prevent unnecessary component replacements and ensure focused troubleshooting efforts. The second step necessitates conducting a detailed inspection of the external circuits related to the throttle control system. This includes performing the BDBW circuit inspection to ensure that the circuit is functioning correctly without any interruptions. Check for any open wires, especially in the PGM-FI sub-relay connections, which could lead to a loss of signal or power. Inspecting both the FI sub-relay and FI sub-relay out lines for continuity and integrity is crucial. Identifying any abnormalities at this stage will provide insights into the root cause and assist in determining the next course of action. In the third troubleshooting step, focus shifts towards inspecting the wiring connected to the PCM. This involves checking for any shorts within the circuits that could disrupt the normal function of the throttle control system. Ensuring that all ground connections are secure is also vital, as poor grounds can lead to erratic behavior of electronic components, including the throttle control system. Conducting a thorough visual inspection combined with continuity testing will help identify problematic sections in the wiring. This step is critical, as rectifying any issues related to wiring can restore proper functionality. The fourth step in troubleshooting involves a comprehensive inspection of the PCM itself. If previous inspections have returned normal results, it is likely that the PCM could be the root cause of the issue. Look for any fault codes that have been stored, which may provide further insight into the malfunction. Performing functionality tests on the PCM will help ascertain whether it's operating properly. If the PCM does not meet the required specifications, it may be necessary to consider its replacement. This step highlights the importance of the PCM in the electronic throttle control system and the need for accurate diagnosis. After concluding the troubleshooting procedures and carrying out necessary repairs, the final verification is crucial. Begin by clearing any stored DTCs in the PCM to reset the system. A subsequent test drive is necessary to evaluate the performance of the electronic throttle control system. During this drive, pay close attention to throttle responsiveness and ensure that there are no abnormal delays or reductions in power. If all functions operate as expected, it confirms that repairs have been successful. This verification process ensures that the underlying issue has been fully resolved and prevents recurrence. Preventive maintenance is essential to avoid recurrence of DTC P2108-9F issues. Regularly inspecting the wiring and connections related to the throttle control system can help identify any potential weak points before they lead to failures. Ensure that the PGM-FI subrelay and its connections are clean and secure, as dirt and corrosion can contribute to poor performance. Maintaining clean electrical connectors is equally crucial, since contaminants can interfere with the signal integrity. Scheduling routine checks can prolong the lifespan of these components and enhance overall vehicle reliability, ensuring the electronic throttle control functions smoothly. In conclusion, addressing DTC P2108-9F requires a comprehensive understanding of the electronic throttle control system and its critical components. Conducting thorough inspections of the PGM-FI subrelay, PCM, and wiring is paramount to accurately diagnosing the issue. Identifying and rectifying any open or shorted circuits can restore proper functionality of the throttle control system. Moreover, implementing preventive maintenance measures can help avoid future issues, prolonging the lifespan of the components involved. Overall, diligence in both diagnostics and maintenance will ensure that the Honda CR-V operates efficiently and without interruption. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.